How to do 2D lookup in Excel? So we want to find intersection between row and column based on headers. So we have two solutions. The first solution will be in legacy Excel, and the second will be into dynamic array Excel. So the first solution use match function and her close friend index function. So we start by looking country, so row numbers, and we are looking select country in all country headers, and we of course need exact match. And just like that, we also have to find column. So this time we are looking month in all months headers, and once again exact match, so 0. And now we have our row number and column number, and we can just use index function to select whole data set, and then choose row and then column number, and just like that we find our value. So we do a 2D lookup, and when we change our values, so the row and column is changing and we have still proper results. So we have now 3 formula, but we want just one, so we just copy our match function and put it proper place, so into the place of reference to D8 column cell, and then we have to copy the second match without equal sign and go this time in the place of D9. Ctrl V, we are pasting our formulas, and now we have one bigger formula instead 3 different formulas. Okay, let's go to the solution in array Excel. We will use XLOOKUP function twice. First one, we are looking for row, so we are looking Germany in all country headers, and as return array we are giving Excel whole data set. And because we are using XLOOKUP function, we are working in array Excel, Excel will return whole row. It will spill whole row, so we have to find the column, proper column, when we do it with XLOOKUP function. So once again XLOOKUP, this time we are looking month into months headers, and as a return array is the row we find before, and we have to just close our formula, and just like that we have proper result. We can check if by changing our values the formula returns correct results, and yes, of course we have solution with XLOOKUPs and with index and match functions.